Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, May 24th. I'm James Spann. Eyes on the Gulf of Mexico. We could see some tropical trouble down the line toward the end of the upcoming holiday weekend. Let's go in there and check things out early this morning. Upper air look across the North American continent. Broad trough in the west, ridging here in the deep south. Moist air and some fog issues. The Weather Service posting a dense fog advisory for central Alabama to start the day. Fog should dissipate by mid-morning. We note a flash flood watch for parts of west Georgia, where they've got more heavy rain falling early this morning. So the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Severe storms possible across the high plains. This is tomorrow, Friday, and day 3, which is Saturday. And like we've seen for a while, we stay in the green. Thunder possible, but no organized severe weather expected here. But this is the story. The National Hurricane Center now with a 70% chance of a tropical depression or maybe a minimal tropical storm forming in the Gulf of Mexico over the next 5 days. Tropical models still got a pretty decent amount of spread here, but we're starting to see a little better agreement. Let's check the European ensemble output, 51 members, and most of them bring it up toward the central Gulf Coast. But still, the timing is questionable, as you'll see. This is coming off the European ensemble. This is the chance of a tropical depression forming. And now the percentages are up in the 70 and 80% brackets. So, again, starting to see pretty good clarity that we'll have an organized tropical depression there. And again, maybe a minimal tropical storm. This is the intensity guidance, and you can see guidance kind of split. It's kind of some are in the depression camp, some are in the weak tropical storm camp, but the effect is going to be the same. It's going to be a big rainmaker. The issue is not going to be wind, but rain. This is the guidance coming from WPC over the next 7 days, and of course the big numbers are right down here. And again, it's kind of hard to draw this map until we get the load defined and on the board, but this is suggesting rain amounts could exceed 5 inches for South Alabama and the Gulf Coast region, 4 inches as far north as Birmingham, 3 inches as far north as Huntsville. And again, this is over the next 7 days. So let's take a look at the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, 1 o'clock this afternoon. Upper high here, and the air aloft should be a little warmer today, and this might be the driest day of the next 7. Still, we'll have scattered storms this afternoon, but they should be fairly widely spaced, and we'll be in the upper 80s with a partly sunny sky. Tomorrow, showers and storms should be a bit more numerous, highs low to mid-80s. And this is the beginning of the holiday weekend. The GFS depicting our tropical system in the southern Gulf. And for us, the day will feature a mixture of clouds and sunshine with scattered showers and storms. Let's go to Sunday, kind of a closer look. And again, this is the GFS, just the deterministic run. It's got the tropical system due south of Navarre Beach. And again, here we'd have scattered showers and storms with some sun. And again, for our part of the state on Saturday and Sunday, the weather much like the weather in recent days. The chance of these random scattered storms. But clearly on the Gulf Coast, rain will be increasing on Sunday. And again, it's going to be breezy, but the concern, it's the rain and not the wind. We'll go to Monday. The GFS pushes this thing up into southwest Alabama. And obviously, if this verifies, Monday would be pretty wet for the northern two-thirds of the state. And if by chance this is right, the rain maybe would diminish on the Gulf Coast, but not so fast here. Let's look at the European on Monday. Again, same time, 1 o'clock Monday, and it's got the thing down there around New Orleans. So, big implications for the Gulf Coast. And then we'll go to Tuesday, and it slowly drifts northward. And then Wednesday of next week, it's over the Mississippi Delta, and we stay on the wet side. And if this verifies, we'd be awfully wet Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. So, again, a lot of inconsistencies in the timing. But just some thoughts on this. If you got a beach trip planned, I would go. Obviously, rain will be increasing on the Gulf Coast, especially Sunday and Monday, but there'll be breaks in the rain. You'll probably see some sunshine, especially on Saturday. But keep in mind, rip currents will be a big problem. If you're going down there to swim in the ocean or the Gulf, that's not going to happen probably. There's going to be a lot of red flags flying down there. And then for up on our end of the state, the better rain coverage will likely be either Sunday or Monday. So the least coverage of the rain will probably be on Saturday, but even then we'll have scattered storms about. And this might get a name. It could be Tropical Storm Alberto. But we don't expect a hurricane or a dangerous tropical storm in terms of wind. Rain is the issue. Let's go to Thursday. This is the GFS troughing to the east. And if this were to verify, we would be fairly dry. But again, there's a lot of uncertainty here, and we still might be in deep tropical moisture at that point. This is 10 days out. This is Saturday, June 2nd. Little trough just to the north and east, and if this is right, again, we might be in some drier air, but we'll believe that when we see it. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS. Highs mostly in the 80s, maybe a couple of days with low 90s and lows upper 60s and low 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.